Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot. You may notice that I have a different setup right now, and that's because this piece is huge. I measured it from top to bottom all the way up to the stem of the pumpkin up there, and it is almost 2 feet tall. So this is a very huge piece. It is quite the decor piece. So as you can see, it does have a little working clock. But real quick, let's get into the paper collection. I used Midnight Ride. I have a lot of lights on because I need to get this in good. So I use Midnight Ride. This is one of the newer collections from Country Craft Creations and exclusively sold at Country Craft Creations. And it is an amazing Halloween paper line to work with. So as you can see, this is a huge decor piece. So it has the working clock. And this is a full 360 all the way around. There's a little door up here I'll show you in a minute. That goes to where the back of the clock mechanism is, so you can change out the battery. And get it. Trying to get it, make sure I get it all in the picture for you. So anyway, you can see the Midnight Ride paper is super pretty, works really good. This piece here is from the 8x8 paper pad, so I did work with the 12x12 and the 8x8. The top portion of it I did use for, I did use the 8x8 for the top portion because I needed, it was a smaller piece up here, so I needed to go ahead and size accordingly. So this piece here was the 8x8 because I wanted that full image right there, which is absolutely gorgeous. So now I also used it on here to keep everything smaller. And then the whole bottom half is made all with the 12x12 paper pad. And you have these nice, cute octagon shape pillars here. I don't know how well they can kind of see it. So that's just adds to the decor piece of it to give it some dimension and not make it so flat. So down in the bottom here, so I'll kind of tell you where I got some of the stuff. This cute little rat guy, he came from Walmart. And he's got his hands kind of curved this way. So the pumpkin here is hot glued down. And then that way he can just hold it and stay like that. And then the little black cauldrons that are like right here, and then this one and that one, those were from the dollar store in the little treat section. I got my pumpkins from Michael's. It just goes right back there. The big black Happy Halloween pumpkin is also from Michael's. I got those this year. This black glittered leafy garland I got, that was also from Michael's. These eyeballs here are from Michael's, but they are from last year's collection. There is a newer collection this year, and it is, I think they're different colors this year. So I think there was more colors in it. These ones were just red and blue. So I have that on there. And the little brooms in the background came in a 3-pack also from the dollar store. So you can pretty much do any kind of design on here, and then the bottom leaves it open up. Sorry, my camera, I keep moving my camera. You should see my setup back here. It is insane of how I had to record this. I forgot what I was saying. Oh, the broomsticks there, those were also from the dollar store, and they're hot glued together, and then I used some black seam binding on here to go ahead and kind of tie it together and also hide any of the hot glue. But you can pretty much do any kind of scenery in here. Gives you lots of space and lots of creativity, so I cannot wait to see what you guys all come up with on that. So there is that. Let's see if I can get you in a little closer, give you a little more detailed look. So you can see the clock at the top. I don't know, I have another light too, so I don't know if it's going to wash anything out. But yep, so I also installed a little clock here. So for that's kind of the witch and hour. And the whole theme is Midnight Ride. So this is like Tonight We Ride kind of thing that I have. And of course, little witches' brooms are kind of like parking around the cauldron. And let me show you the back so you can see the dimension right there. The bottom base here, I'll hold it up. The bottom base right there, that is only 6 inches wide. So it's not very wide, it's just very tall. And these pillars here kind of help stable the whole piece so it doesn't tip. It kind of weights it out a little bit too. So if you come around to the back, this is where the clock piece goes. So if you have to get to the battery and stuff, right in the back here, I don't have a battery in it yet. And then the back side, this is when that's from when I was drawing out my piece, and then I just used the same pieces I cut out because no point in wasting. So you could paper the back, but that's not necessary because it's literally just there to change the battery. And then the cute little closure with also its seam binding. And you can just see how pretty the paper is. The camera should be right now, if it's doing it right, picking up the actual colors of this, and you could see how vibrant that paper collection is. It's really, really pretty. So then we come right back around. And then you can see a little better down here. But anyway, I will have a full tutorial coming out on this, and I can't wait to see what you guys go ahead and make. It is quite the project, and it is fun, and don't be intimidated. It might look like it is quite the complicated project, but honestly, it is not. You basically make every piece separate and then just stick them all together. So it really is quite simple, so just don't think that it is scary looking. It's just big. It's not scary, and I walk you through step by step. So anyway, I hope you guys will enjoy this. I can't wait to see what you guys do. And if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. This is a design team project for Country Craft Creations. So if you're not already a member of the Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations on Facebook, go ahead over there, join that. It's a lot of fun. And anyway, until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.